Well, white noise and pink noise have been shown to not improve concentration, but to improve people's ability to transition into concentrated states and listen to it through headphones or in the room. There is indeed some data to support the fact that white noise can support the release of particular neurochemicals, but more data showing that they can amplify the activity of neurons in the so-called prefrontal cortex, this front area, sort of the bumper behind your forehead, that is directly related to your ability to direct your own focus and remain focused on certain things.